Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we will write a C program to find a given number is positive or negative. Okay. So first we can declare one variable int x. Then printf enter your number. Then we can give one slash n for new. Then we can scanf. User can input that number, right? So scanf percentage d comma here we can give at the rate x. So here we are given the address of x, right? So we are enter the number, then we can check if the number is positive or negative, right? So here we can give if x greater than 0, then printf your number is positive. If x less than 0, what we can here we can put else, right? Else if x less than 0, then same thing. Here we can put in semicolon here. And if your number is negative. Yes. So x is greater than 0, we can give the number is positive. Less than 0, number is negative. Else, we can try it. We can give number is 0. Number is 0. Okay. Then build this and run this. Enter your number. 5. Your number is positive. Enter your number. -2. Your number is negative. Enter your number. 0. Number is 0. Okay.